Hello, today I'm going to show you how to upload an exam through the SAM system. First, you'll need to go to the West Virginia University Accessibility Services website at accessibilityservices.wvu.edu. Next, click on the SAM tab in the upper right-hand corner, select Faculty, and enter your WVU identification into the system. Next, go ahead and select the Courses button. Select the course that you wish to upload the exam for. And once in the course, you'll go ahead and select the Exam button and select the Add New Exam button to begin adding your exam. Next, you'll want to go ahead and fill out the forms for the exam in question, including the title and other information necessary. For here, we will go ahead and call this Quiz 2. You'll put in the phone number. Next, you'll select whether or not it is a final exam for the course. If it is not, go ahead and select No, and specify the length of the exam that you will be providing. Do not calculate the student's accommodation into this. However, it would just be the standard length of the exam that you would give to any other student. Next, you'll select the start and end dates that you wish the student to be able to take the exam. For here, we will select the 21st through the 23rd. Next, select the times that you wish the student to be able to register for the exam. It is important that you utilize this specific item, as if you do not, the student will not be able to register for the exam. Next, you'll specify where the student will be taking the exam. For here, it will be the OAS Testing Center. How the exam will be provided, we'll go ahead and specify it as a paper exam. Next, you will enter which resources the student will be allowed to use on the exam. This includes things like if it is open book, if they get a formula sheet or scratch paper, four-function calculator, scientific calculator, graphing calculator, or other. If there is anything else, select other and specify in the box so the testing center knows what the student will be bringing to the testing center. In addition, we ask that you specify what materials the student will use for the exam, be it Scantron, Blue Book, or perhaps none of the above. Go ahead and select how any clarification on test questions should be handled, how you plan to deliver the exam to the testing center, either uploaded through the SAM account, emailed, or hand-delivered, how it will be returned once completed by the student, either through SAM or file locker, or picked up from the OAS Testing Center by hand. At this point, you can go ahead and attach the exam to the entry. Once you have done so, there will be an option that says Apply to all records. You will want to select Yes, unless you are making specific exams for specific students that are both in the exact same course. If you are doing this, select No, so you can have multiple exams specified for specific students. After this, select Submit, and your exam has been added. Down here. Note that if you do not upload a file to the exam, if you have not finished the quiz or the test, or if you just don't have it on hand at the time, but you want to let the student apply for a testing spot, you have the ability to go into the exam and add the exam file later. You do not have to do it at the time of creation. And that's it.